to Econo Steel Melbourne. Looking for high-quality steel in Melbourne? Econo Steel Melbourne has you covered. From flat bars to RHS, sheet metal and beams, we provide the steel products you need for everything, from DIY projects to large-scale construction. Our commitment: quality steel and unbeatable service. We are Melbourne's trusted supplier of steel angles, beams, tubing, channels and T-bars. Whether it's for a custom project or standard requirements, our stock is diverse and reliable. Need precision? Our cutting service ensures your steel arrives exactly in the length and shape you need. With years of experience, we understand the needs of builders, manufacturers and hobbyists. We pride ourselves on delivering premium steel solutions at competitive prices. As Melbourne's #1 steel supplier, our focus is always on you, our valued customer. Don't let your next project stall. Visit Econo Steel Melbourne online and explore our full range of products. Need advice or a custom solution? Our friendly team is here to guide you. Click now and discover how Econo Steel can meet your steel needs with precision and excellence.